The BMW N63 V8 engine has been a staple of the Bavarian automaker's lineup since its introduction in 2008. This twin-turbocharged powerhouse was BMW's first production engine to use a hot V configuration, setting new standards for performance and innovation. However, like many high-performance engines, the N63 has had its share of challenges. In this video, we'll explore its specifications, common problems, and overall reliability. The BMW N63 engine is a marvel of engineering, designed to deliver impressive performance while incorporating cutting-edge technology. At its core, the N63 is a 4.4-litre V8 engine equipped with twin turbochargers, nestled innovatively within the hot V layout. This configuration, where the turbochargers sit inside the V of the engine block, minimizes turbo lag and enhances throttle response. With a bore of 89 mm and a stroke of 88.3 mm, the engine achieves a balanced compression ratio of 10.0, allowing it to deliver robust power efficiently. Depending on the model and version, the N63 produces between 400 to 523 horsepower and generates torque in the range of 450 lb-ft to 553 lb-ft. To optimize performance, the engine features advanced systems like Valvetronic variable valve timing, double vanos for precise camshaft control, and direct fuel injection for efficient combustion. These specifications underscore BMW's commitment to merging power with innovation, making the N63 a standout choice in the luxury performance segment. While the N63 boasts impressive engineering, it has faced criticism for several recurring issues. Here are some of the most common problems. Excessive oil consumption. Many N63 owners report significant oil consumption, often requiring frequent top-ups between scheduled oil changes. This issue is partly due to the high-performance design and turbocharging, which can lead to increased blow-by and oil consumption timing chain wear. The timing chain is a critical component, and premature wear has been a common issue. Symptoms include rattling noises, engine misfires, and potential catastrophic engine damage if not addressed. Turbocharger failure. Turbochargers on the N63 are prone to failure, often due to oil starvation or overheating. Replacing them can be an expensive repair. High-pressure fuel pump (HPFP) issues. HPFP failures are another frequent complaint. Symptoms include difficulty starting, reduced power, and engine stalling. BMW has issued recalls and extended warranties for some models to address this. Battery drain. The N63 is notorious for causing excessive battery drain. This issue is often linked to the engine's advanced electronic systems and can result in frequent battery replacements. Valve stem seal failure. Valve stem seals can wear prematurely, leading to increased oil consumption, blue smoke from the exhaust, and reduced engine performance. The reliability of the BMW N63 engine largely depends on maintenance and addressing known issues proactively. Early versions of the N63 were particularly problematic, leading BMW to launch the N63 Customer Care Package to address several issues, including oil consumption, timing chain wear, and turbocharger reliability. Later versions of the engine, such as the N63 TU2 and N63 TU3, introduced significant updates to improve durability and performance. Key improvements included revised timing chains, upgraded turbochargers, and better cooling systems. The BMW N63 V8 engine is a marvel of engineering, offering exceptional performance and advanced technology. However, it's not without its flaws. Early versions of the engine were plagued by reliability issues, but later iterations have seen significant improvements. For prospective buyers, understanding the common problems and ensuring proper maintenance can make the N63 a rewarding choice for those seeking power and refinement in a luxury vehicle.